I'll give you my best tips for using these, let's call them over-the-counter carpet cleaning chemicals that will give you the best results. Here's the thing with these carpet cleaners. You know, a lot of them are similar to the stuff that we have, but the big thing is if you're going to use them, you got to extract, you got to rinse out the carpet, get that chemical out, because what will happen is it'll leave a residue, and after 6 months or so, you'll get a secondary stain, and you'll be using it over and over again. So, you know, if you're going to use them, they can work, sure, but use it in conjunction with like a small carpet cleaning machine or something like that, where you can rinse the carpet out and get that chemical out. The other thing is, it's not safe to use on all types of carpet, so if you don't know what type of your carpet is, I'd be really cautious about using it. Definitely don't use them on any wool. Don't combine them with any bleach products. Most importantly, don't use Dawn or even Tide or stuff like that. Laundry detergent, don't use it on your carpet, because it will leave a residue. You will not be able to get that out. Even when we hit those spots, it'll foam up like crazy and create a big mess. So use responsibly, and take care.